Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to put at the heat machine for 10 to 15 minutes so the glue become mixed so you can take out the back glass. This one is glass, you have to be careful, okay? So after you heat it, you have to find something like a rubber or maybe anything that's soft. You just put it like this inside like this, okay? You just slide it right around like this. Okay, be careful you don't crack the glass, you just open it like this, okay? You open it right around like this, okay? There's so many screws on the charging system here. Before you remove the charging system, make sure the phone is off, okay? Make sure you turn the phone off before you change the charging system, okay? Then you take out all the screws, so many screws. After I take out all the screws, okay, you just open this ringer cover. You just remove the ringer, just open it like this, okay? Then you disconnect the connector, disconnect the other connector, okay? Then you take out these 3 screws from here. Okay, after I take out the 3 screws, okay, just remove the charging system like this, just slide it out, okay? Then just take the new one, okay, just slide it in also like this, okay? You just press it down, okay? Then you replace the 3 screws you take out. You see where to put the screw, you see the shining there, you know that this is the screw supposed to be there. And the screws are not the same. It's one screw are shining and it's smaller than the one outside. So don't mix up the screw. Okay. After you replace the screw, then you just fix this first connector. Make sure you get the right position before you press it down. Don't force to press it if you don't have the right position, so you don't spoil the connector. Okay. Then you fix this one also. Okay, then you close the ringer, you put the ringer, make sure you slide it inside, sideways like this. Start from the top there, then you press the one window here. Okay, then make sure you replace all the screws, take out back of the phone. Make sure you put all the screws back, okay? After you place all the screw back of the phone, okay, now you need to apply the glue. You make sure you put it right around the phone. Don't put on top of the screw, just put it right around the phone like this. Okay, make sure you put it right around, okay? After you put the glue right around, okay, you just take the back cover, you just put it very straight, don't bend it. Okay, make sure it's very straight like this. Then use the rubber at least for 10 to 15 minutes so the glue becomes dry before you take it out. Okay, if you have the rubber at home, you can still use the tape. You just tape it for 10 to 15, then remove the tape. Okay, then you tape the top here also. Okay, now you put the charger just to test and see if the phone is charging. Then you, okay, connect the charger, then you wait for a few minutes. Okay, the phone already start charging, showing the charging, everything is okay. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.